So hey guys, I'm more excited to let you know that PayingBee has been launched on 16 July, and today I'm just quick review about what is PayingBee and how PayingBee become money making machine for you. So before we start the review, if you are in a hurry, my purchasable link plus my premium bonuses is waiting for you in the description box so you can check it out. So PayingBee is a cloud-based app that allows you to just that earn money for finding grammar and spelling mistakes. This is a great way to make some extra cash in your life. With PayingBee, you can earn cash for finding grammar and spelling mistakes in other people's writing. Like other people create some articles, blogs. So you just read their blogs and articles and just catch their grammatical mistakes and earn some money. You can simply open the app and start scanning articles, books, emails, or whatever else you want to read. You come across in your daily life. You simply open the app and start scanning articles, books, emails, or whatever else you come across in your daily life. You just read it, and each mistake you find, you will earn a few cents and only takes a minute or two scan piece of writing. So yeah, that's right. You can earn an average of $2 for each grammar mistakes and spelling mistakes you can spot, and all you need is a sharp eye, and that's it. So if we talk about their sales page, though they had commit that they will pay you $30 for every page of English you read. So if we come down below, they are commit that they have paid millions of dollars with PayingBee in the past 14 days to other people. So they have already paid millions of dollars to the users, and members getting paid to read and fix spelling and grammar errors with our AI software. And yeah, this is 100% never seen before method. If you're talking about me, so I have also never seen that type of earning method, or we can say earning source. I have never seen this method before, and they commit that they will pay you instant payments directly to your PayPal account, and all the work is done for us by the automation app. No experience needed whatsoever. All you need, just you have to know English language and you have some fluency in English and some knowledge about English, so that you can correct some mistakes or grammatical mistakes. That's all about, and so easy, even non-native English can do it. So yeah, that's it. And they will also provide you 30 days money back guarantee. So if we come down below here, you can see some proofs which is made by our PayingBee latest users. Like that, as you can see, this person has been made $130 in just 24 hours using PayingBee. And as you can see, this person has been made $265 in just 36 hours using of PayingBee, and this has been made $265. So as you can see, the money potential in this software. And this person has been made $460 in just few hours using of PayingBee. So as you can see, there are a lot of proofs, which is the latest proofs PayingBee shows. And if we come down below, so as you can see, you are 3-step survey. You can create your account on PayingBee and just read documents, whatever of documents you want to read. You want to article, what type of article and document you want to read. Just catch the grammatical mistakes and spelling errors of this document and just generate money. So here is the most important thing which I want to tell you about the truth of the PayingBee. So as you can see, a lot of people are victim of the dozen of scams before, but this money making method is not like that. Some people have a goal is not a year to trip or a Brahmas of a luxury car. So some people has a wrong mindset that quick reach scheme and make a millionaire in a night. So this is totally a wrong mindset. This is just an extra income of your life. This is not a quick reach scheme. This is not a quick reach scheme. You will not be a millionaire with the PayingBee software. This is just a money making method with reading books or reading documents, I have said. This is just an extra cash of your life. If you are doing your job, so this is some extra part-time apart from your job. If you are a housewife, so it's just an extra cash of your life. If you are a student, so it would be a pocket money for you. But this is not a money making millionaire, or you millionaire with this software, or this is the main career of your field. So this is not like that. This is just an extra money making method you can earn. So yeah, that's the important statement which I want to tell you. So just keep this statement in your mind. And that's all about my PayingBee review. I hope you have got all the information about the PayingBee. So in order to get this software, my purchasable link in the description box, and if you done any purchase through me, I also provide you my premium bonuses. Just share me your invoice on my Instagram handle and I'll provide you my premium bonuses. So that's a wonderful offer for you. Just get it out and check it out, and I'll catch you in the next review. Thanks for watching.